right now you are looking at this thing here, which is a mobile background. You can see the width and height is this 1080 width and 1920 height, rectangle with all the corners rounded. You can see a circle with an stroke with 95 as is stroke thickness. There's this circle, there are 3 waves, and there's this things, and how did these waves are made, right? So if I go to this pen tool, if I make a shape, and if I click enter, it is made, and I can get rid of this give this fill, and if so so you can see this vector shape made, right? So how do I make it round like this, which is kind of big, but anyway, how do I make it round, and how do I make this edges round? To make that, you can select it double time, click on it double time, and you can see a tool names bend tool. If I click on it, and I can click on these edges, and it becomes like this, and you can move it, you can do this. So there is a bunch you could do. You can do multiple things to make this round shapes, wavy shapes, right? I would like to delete this, and that is maybe enough explanation for this, right? The colors, you may choose them as it fits for you, right? If I go down, you can see some color variation here, some more color variation here, and so these are the 3 mobile background design I've shown you, and I've given you some explanation. Maybe you can now make some of your own